Laitkam byllai, ikam balak dan ikam young professional one, but two, the communications coordinator, and the community-based rehabilitation worker, but multi-purpose rehabilitation worker. The district social welfare, Meghalayan Age Limited, and they berapa ICAR Research Complex, Northeastern Region, Umiam. Itu ya, Pak Kawai dan Kawai Pat. Dapat nengkong jong ka District Social Welfare Officer East Khasi District ki kambalak kidai community-based rehabilitation worker but multi-purpose rehabilitation worker. Tarik khadu kadai khat sau tarik August aracara pusan. Taki kambalak kidai community-based rehabilitation worker Sautali ki kambalak kawai mau plang Circle 5 nanta Soyong Block Circle 4 nangta Padmaulai Block Circle 5 nangta Bholaganj Block Circle 3 Kesnam Arpwe Hedulai Po Arsnam Kibla Pas Class 10 Chajrong preference will be given to those having computer knowledge, some concept about disability and need disability certification, course and experience. Ito ki bala pas class 10 ki badan computer knowledge nangta bar ki badan jing ngothu syapang ki disability nang ta ki badan disability certification ro course and experience kin kham sha jit ka jing siu ka dai 10,000 sispa khat sau tengka man ubnai ta kane ka jing ka note the list of villages and the circle come base will be in the office not dispute during office hours or log in into https ://mec.srcda.in Pelaban ia tagi circle based. Hai ki circle ki dan nang toka website. Takkan ka way ka post multi purpose rehabilitation worker. Ka dai po melim CNRD block arpwe hadu life arsnam ta relaxation sansnam ki SCST. Can they pan class 12 passage wrong? Preference will be given to those having computer knowledge, some concept about disability and disability certification or experience. Kajing siu kadai khatwe hajar lai spa spau man bonai. Taka tarik khadu kadai khatsau tarik August arajar pausan. Dan kawai kadai jong Meghalayan Age Limited ka kambalai kadai communications coordinator tarik khadu kadai khatsau tarik August arajar pausan. Dan tak itu kapus ke qualification kadai bachelor's degree in communications, marketing, journalism or any related field preferred. Tak kia kalai kawai kapus te kajing si mampunai kadai arhajar cispa tengka. The job description brings in fresh ideas for visual and written content to engage diverse audiences and ensures accuracy, consistency and professionalism in all balances multiple content deadlines, event support and communication tasks. Tagi point ha ka job description, knowledge in creating social media visuals, posters and event materials using tools at Canva with growing skills and Photoshop and Illustrator. The knowledge on how social media platforms works, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, etc. works. The intermediate to advanced skills in event photography, including framing, lighting, and editing, familiarity with photography and videography editing tools such as Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom, Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, etc. Now, the desired skills and experience, preferably at least 6 months of 1 year communication or social media related works, knowledge in content writing and proofreading, the basic knowledge in graphic designing, and video editing, basic photography and videography skills, excellent English, written and oral communication skills, strong organizational skills and ability to meet strict deadlines, familiarity with SEO requirements, strong interpersonal skills and ability to establish working relations with various team members, willingness to travel and experience destinations firsthand. Age limit kadai hadu live pusansnam. Selected candidate shall be posted in Shillong. Monthly remuneration kembalapan hajrong. Kontrak kadai nama system. Tang balapan extend. Naman pentamai biang. based on performance satisfaction dan kajian penjelasan ke project. The candidate's advice to clearly mention the name of the position being applied in subject line of the form as application for the position. Key documents, updated resume, institutional qualification certificate, proof experience or experience certificates, latest salary slips, additional or technical qualifications, identity proof. Tarik hadu kan mau kadai kat sau tarik Ogos ara cara pusan hadu san baje janmit ban penpoi application form. Selection process, there will be personal interview for the position and candidates will have to attend a skill evaluation test. These will be notified to them on basis of selection. And to get general information, namadagan ke post. No TADA shall be paid for attending the interview. Saya kam balai po ICAR Research Complex for Northeast Region, Umiam. Artikel post Young Professional 1 but Young Professional 2. Tarik hadu untuk application form kadai kesan tarik Ogos arcara pusan dak papa atau email address hodssicrneh2018@gmail.com. Kawang interview kin sapelong kin sapentip kitarik. Terlibat ke Young Professional Post, Young Professional 2, MSc, MTech in Computer Applications, Computer Science, Information Technology, Artificial Intelligence, Operating Systems, Software Engineering, Computer Graphics with 1 year experience in relevant field. Tekajing siau kadai sapa arajar manupunai nang ta sapusan snap relaxation SCST OBC as per government norms, IRK norms. The doctorate degree in this concerned discipline, at least 2 years experience in website and mobile application development, handling graphics software, database management, QGIS, mapping, MIS, MFF, MS, ERP, etc. Nata Young Professional 1, graduate in computer hardware and networking or diploma in computer hardware and networking. At least 2 years experience in government sector with working knowledge in network analysis, test, troubleshoot, and evaluate existing network systems such as LAN, WAN, CN, firewall, routing, switching. Kajing sih pada ilai pawajar manuk benai. Sapusan snap nang relaxation kat government norms but government of India norms, EKHD, ST but OBC. The place of posting kada hapo complex ICAR Research Complex kebadan hapo Umiam. Tangkene kijipun tip hi kublai syubun.